So let us take a few more questions in software engineering. First topic is analysis modeling. The first question is, which of the following is not the primary objectives of the analysis model? So these are four options for you. Please read them very carefully and try to answer them. Which of the following is not the primary objectives of the analysis model? The answer is all the options are covered in analysis model. That is describing the customer's complaints, establishing a basis for the creation of software design, defining a set of requirements that can be validated once the software is built. Next is that a description of each function presented in the DFD is contained in a description of each function presented in the data flow diagram is contained in where? Is it data store or any other? The answer is process specification. Description of each function presented in DFD is contained in process specification. Next is which diagram indicates the behavior of the system as a consequence of external events. As a consequence of external events. These are four options for you. B is the answer. B is the correct answer. The state transition diagram. It represents the various modes of behavior called the states of the system and the manner in which the transitions are made from one state to another. Next is a data model contains what? Options 4. The four options. What is the answer? The data model contains all of these. Data object, attributes and relationship. So a data model consists of three interrelated pieces of information. The data object, the attributes that describes the data object, and the relationships that connect each data objects to one another. Next is dash defines the properties of data object and take on one of the three different characteristics. What are the options you are going to choose? The answer is attributes. So they can be used in name or an instance of the data object describes the instance or make reference to another instance of another table. The dash of a relationship is 0 if there is no explicit need for the relationship to occur or the relationship is optional. The relationship is optional. These are options for you. What is the correct option? The answer is modality. The modality is 1 if the occurrence of the relationship is mandatory, 0 if it has a optional relationship. Next question is a dash is a graphical representation that depicts information flow and the transforms that are applied as data moves from input to output. Input to output. So these are options for you. What is the graphical representation that depicts information flow and the transforms that are applied as data moves from input to output? The answer is B. State transition diagram. The basic form of data flow diagram, also known as the data flow graph or a bubble chart. This is state transition diagram. The data conditions occurs whenever a data is passed to an input element followed by a processing element, and the result is a result in control output. Is this correct or not? The answer is correct. Standard flow of condition check. So a data condition occurs whenever data is passed to an input element followed by a processing element and then the control output. The dash enables the software engineer to develop models of the information domain and functional domain at the same time. Develop models of the information domain and function domain at the same time, which enables? These are options for you. The answer is A. Data flow diagram. So as the data flow diagram is refined into greater levels of detail, the analyst performs an implicit functional decomposition of the system, thereby accomplishing the fourth operational analysis principle for function. The next is the dash contains a state transition diagram that is a sequential specification of behavior. Four options. Which contains a state transition diagram that is a sequential specification of behavior? The answer is C. Control specification. The control specification or CSPEC describes the behavior of the system, but it gives us no information about the inner working of the processes that are activated as a result of this behavior. Now the next topic is application frameworks in software use. Application frameworks in software use. So which of the following is not a benefit of software reuse? These are four options. Give me the correct answer. The answer is C. Reduce process risk. See, there can be thousands of components and frameworks whose maintenance may be quite difficult. So, benefit of software reuse is standards compliance, increased reliability, and maintaining a component library. In which of the following language the frameworks will not work? Framework will not work. The answer is C, PHP. Frameworks available in all of the commonly used object-oriented programming language, whether it be C Sharp, Ruby, or Java. Which frameworks support the development of system infrastructure such as communications, user interfaces, and compilers? Which frameworks support the development of system infrastructure like this? These are options for you. The answer is System Infrastructure Framework. System Infrastructure Framework supports the development of system infrastructure such as communication, user interfaces, and compilers. Next question is the MVC, Model View Controller, patent was originally proposed in 1980s as an approach to what? These are options for you. MVC. So is it this one, or any other? The answer is GUI design. The MVC patent was originally proposed in 1980s as an approach to GUI design, graphical user interface design that allowed for multiple presentation of an object and separate styles of interaction of each of these presentations. MVC framework includes what? Observer pattern, strategy pattern, composite pattern, all of the mentioned. The answer is all of the mentioned. Because MVC framework includes the observer pattern, the strategy pattern, the composite pattern, and number of others. Next is which category the following statement belongs. Which category the following statement belongs. Classes to create and manage sessions are usually part of WAF. Which category of the following statement belongs? The answer is session management. Management, that is classes to create and manage sessions. Next is which frameworks applications are difficult to deal with. Which frameworks applications are difficult to deal with? 4 options. Give me the answer. The answer is debugging framework. Debugging framework based applications is difficult because you may not understand how the framework methods interact. So this is a general problem with reusable software. Next is which category the following statement belongs. Frameworks don't usually include a database but rather assume that a separate database such as MySQL. So which category of the following statement belongs? The answer is database support. We are talking about the framework don't usually include a database but rather assume that a separate database such as MySQL is there. Which option supports the statement? Most web frameworks now provide AJAX support, asynchronous. So the answer is, these are 4 options for you. The answer is user interaction. User interactions. Most web frameworks now provide AJAX. Next is frameworks are an effective approach to reuse but are dashed to introduce into the software development process. Is it difficult, expensive, unreliable, difficult and expensive? The answer is D, difficult and expensive. Because frameworks can be difficult and expensive to evaluate available frameworks to choose the most appropriate one. Next is client-server software engineering. Client-server software engineering. So the dash is connected to servers, typically powerful workstations of PC that play a dual role. What is connected to servers that play a dual role? The answer is none of the mentioned. The root system, sometimes of mainframe, serves as the repository for corporate data. It plays a dual role. Root system. Which of the following term is best defined by the statement the clients sends SQL requests to the server which are transmitted as messages across the net? So what are the options you are going to choose? The answer is database servers. SQL is a database language. Which statement or which subsystem implements the requirement defined by the application? Which subsystem? User interface, DBMS, application subsystem, or none of the mentioned? The answer is C, application subsystem. The subsystem implements the requirements defined by the application within the context of the domain in which the application operates. Next is which test do you infer from this statement? The coordination and data management function of the server are tested. These are options for you. The coordination and data management function. The answer is server tests. Next is which the following presentation is explained in the following statement. An extension of the distributed presentation approach, primary database and application logic remain on the server, and the data sent by the server is used by the client to prepare the user presentation. Is it local distributed presentation, or these two can be chosen one of these remote presentation? A client is assigned all user presentation tasks and the processes associated with the data entry. Which options support the client situation? The client is assigned all user presentation tasks and the processes associated with data entry. Answer is distributed logic. The server is assigned the data management task and the processes for client queries and the enterprise-wide applications. Now the other question is, what is used to pass SQL requests and associated data from one component to another? What is used to pass SQL request? These are options for you. The answer is client-server SQL interaction. This is used to pass SQL request and associated data from one component to another. This mechanism is limited to RDBMS applications. Next is when a client application invokes a method contained with the object elsewhere in the system, say Corba. It uses dynamic invocation to what? The answer is D. Obtain pertinent information about the desired method from the interface repository, create a data structure with parameters to be passed to the object, and create a request for the object. So the request is then passed to the ORB, that is, open this request broker architecture, and the implementation specific part of the networking operating system that manages the request, and the request is then fulfilled. Which of the following services is not provided by an object? These are options for you. Not provided by the object. The answer is C. File implementing the entities defined or identified with ERD. So an ERD is not a part of UML. Next is, which of the following term is best defined by the statement? When one object invokes another independent object, a message is passed between two objects. So the answer would be data couple. Data couple. CORBA stands for Common Object Request Broker Architecture, or any other? The answer is B. Common Object Request Broker Architecture. So these were a few more questions on software engineering. We'll be taking more. Thank you so much. Take care.